Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about potential due to an electric dipole. Consider an electric dipole. This is the system of two charges. At point A we take a minus q charge, and at point B we take a plus q charge. And the total distance between the A and B is 2a. And this is O is the center of this dipole. Then the distance between A to O is A. And O to B is also A, because total distance between A and B is 2a. And here electric dipole moment P vector, which is equal to the product of either charge, I take a q and the total distance between the two charges, into 2a. P is the electric dipole moment having direction minus to plus. And we take another point P, which is neither on axial line and nor on equatorial line, and the position vector from A to P is r1 vector, and the position vector from B to P is r2 vector. We take another position vector from the center of this dipole, and the position vector from center of this dipole is r vector. And this position vector make an angle theta with axis of electric dipole, or with the axis of dipole. And now the potential at a point P due to this minus q charge, I take potential due to negative charge, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the magnitude of charge is q, and also we take here polarity, which is equal to minus q, and the position vector is r1. And the potential due to this positive charge on a point P, which is equal to potential due to positive charge, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the charge is plus q charge, and the position vector from B to P is r2. Now the net potential at point P, the net potential at point P, which is equal to V, which is equal to the sum of potential of negative charge or a positive charge plus potential due to a negative charge. Now total potential V, which is equal to potential due to positive charge, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r2, and the potential due to negative charge, I take negative sign here from here. Now negative sign, we take a negative sign, and the remaining term is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the charge is q, and the position vector is r1. We take a common term 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and q. Then the potential V is equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the remaining term is 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. Now our next step is to deduce this position vector r2 and r1 in term of r. For this purpose we take some modification in the diagram, and this line perpendicular. Now we take this point as a M, and also draw perpendicular on this line. We take a point M. Here the point, the distance between A to P is approximately equal to the distance between M to P, and AP is approximately equal to MP, and the distance from P to N is approximately equal to P to B. For taking these sign convention, we proceed. From taking these sign convention, we proceed our expression. Now q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r2. R2 is this P to B. P to B is also equal to P to N, and P to N is P to N this distance. Now component of A, if this is the A, then the component of this direction A cos theta, if this is the component of A and here this is angle theta and this is also angle theta. Now this is A and the component of A in this direction is A cos theta. Now what is the R2? R2 is equal to Pn, and we know that P to O is R and O to N is A cos theta. Then the P to N is R minus A cos theta. R minus A cos theta minus 1 by R2. What is the R2? A to P or P to A is R2 and it is approximately equal to P to M. Now what is the P to M? P to O is R and O to M is A cos theta. Then P to M is R plus A cos theta. R plus A cos theta. Potential V, which is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, taking LCM. Now LCM is R square minus R minus A cos theta into R plus A cos theta. R square minus A square cos square theta. A square cos square theta. And here R plus A cos theta, and taking minus sign, here R is negative and A is, and this term is positive, plus A cos theta. Now cancel out R. Here now V is 1 Q by divided by 4 pi epsilon naught and A cos theta plus A cos theta. 2A cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Now Q into 2A. Q into 2A is P, which is the product of charge Q and 2A. Then Q into 2A, dipole moment 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2A, P cos theta, and here R square minus A square cos square theta. If dipole is so small and the distance, the position vector R is so large from O to P, then we can neglect this term. Then potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square. This is our result. This is the potential due to an electric dipole at a point P.